Friends, iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with iOS 14.1 upgradable to iOS 14.2 and powered by Apple A14 Bionic processor with 3.1 hexa-core and with 4-core graphics Apple GPU. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 runs Android 10 and powered by Snapdragon 730G processor with octa-core 2.3 GHz and GPU Adreno 618. If you see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super Retina XDR OLED display that comes with a resolution 2778 by 1284 pixels with 458 ppi pixels density. It also comes with a scratch-resistant ceramic glass oleophobic coating, screen protection, and with front and back Gorilla Glass and stainless steel frame. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 is 6.7 inches device with Super AMOLED Plus display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 385 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection with plastic back and plastic frame. Talking about the internal memory, then iPhone 12 Pro Max is available in different variants in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB with 6GB RAM. But there is no microSD support available. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in silver, graphite, gold and Pacific blue colors. Moving on to Samsung Galaxy M51, it is available in 128GB of primary storage with 6 or 8GB RAM. This phone also supports micro SDXC. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in celestial black and electric blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of iPhone 12 Pro Max, it measures 160.8 by 78.1 by 7.4 mm of height, width, thickness and 228 grams of weight with single SIM feature. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 measures 163.9 by 76.3 by 9.5 mm of height, width, thickness and 213 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Friends, one of the best features that Apple is known for its camera setup. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a quad camera setup of 12 plus 12 plus 12 megapixels with 1.6, 2.2 and 2.4 wide telephoto ultra-wide angle with 2.5x optical zoom, PDAF and depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 4K at 24 or 30 or 60 frames per second, Full HD at 30, 60, 120 and 240 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR and also equipped with 12 megapixels secondary camera with wide 2.2 aperture that can record videos of 4K at 24, 30 or 60 frames per second and Full HD at 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera, then Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with quad camera setup that is 64, 12, 5 and 5 megapixels with 1.8, 2.2, 2.4, 2.4 apertures respectively, like with wide angle, ultra wide, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out 4K and Full HD videos at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second also. Friends, if you are a selfie lover, then a massive 32 megapixels wide angle camera is available in this device with 2.0 aperture that can record Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Friends, in iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can find Face ID, gyroscope, compass, accelerometer, proximity, barometer with the Siri commands. Connectivity wise, it is strong as compared to the previous models and gives many features like Wi-Fi, dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, hotspot and Lightning USB 2.0 for fast charging with 20 watts that can charge the device 50% in 30 minutes. This phone is powered by non-removable 3687 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Samsung Galaxy M51 you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like compass, accelerometer, gyroscope and proximity. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, hotspot, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, fast charging with 25 watts with the reverse charging also that can give the massive non-removable 7000 mAh battery a big boost.
So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.